Hello all. So finally we are starting with the software. We are getting directly into the software finally. So people who are first time on this channel or watching me first time, so I'll want to let you know that in this video or we are doing actually the complete series of CAE. So it's a part of mechanical engineering, so where we completely dealing with the CAE domain. So in this video we'll understand completely about the software's installation part, because softwares are important, and in mechanical installation is very headache, like it's very tough. The starting point installation sucks actually. So yeah, so the so we'll understand about of student versions first. There are other ways also to installation, so but first we'll understand with the student version. So we are downloading the HyperMesh, so it's a part of Altair's company. So Altair, you'll get official website, you'll get a student version there. So what are the steps? So they have mentioned the steps very clearly. The student edition process. Now leverage Altair 1. You have to first create an account, obtain license key, then download and install software, activate software. So these are the different steps they have mentioned. Let's say for example, if you have first, you need to create an Altair 1 account. It's basically you have to clear your registration. You have to register with your college university mail ID, because when you are in engineering field, your university may provide it. If you have that opportunity, your university may provide your official mail ID. Okay, so you can register with that mail ID, and they'll verify your college, and they'll send you the mail. Okay, so after that they will provide you a license key. Okay, the student license key card. So you'll get a license key. There's some kind of key, and you have to keep that key. And after installation, so you'll get, and after the license key and verification is done, you have to download the software, and your software will start working it. Okay, so it's pretty basic and it's very easy. Then install software, you have to provide your license key, whatever you have done at your second stage. So you have to just keep that license key over here, so it's work fine. So this is what, but again it has some limited time frame, so you can't be using the software for a unlimited time. So it has some limitations, so you have to take care of that. So this is what, if anyone don't have an issue with their websites, so yeah, of course it is suggestible that you must use this student version only. But if in case you don't have the opportunity of having this email ID, or you don't want to get install this student version, so you can also, which I know majority of students will go with, are cracked versions, which are not suggestible basically, because it may cause some kind of viruses to your software. Okay, but again, for a long run you have to download anyways. So even industries don't suggest to download the cracked versions, but for practice sake, if you are downloading, please don't do your projects, industrial projects. If you are working in an industry, don't do your projects on cracked versions. Your company will provide anyway the licensed versions. Okay, so don't do your industrial work. If you are practicing, it's fine for some time, but if you are working on an industry and you are putting your projects in a cracked versions, it's really harmful to the industry. Okay, it's maybe a chances of leaking of data and etc, all these things. So if you're working in an industry, if you're doing on a project, don't use the cracked versions. It is suggestible by a lot of people. So the first thing, if you want to download, you get into PC. Again, I'll mention you this in description, so you can easily access from there. So get into PC, simply type Altair HyperWorks, because it's a part of complete package of HyperWorks. So basically you download HyperWorks, which I think it's have 2024 version. First I'll suggest start with the 21 or 22 version. Basically we have experienced that 22, because it's pretty much 24. Now we have even 25 versions also, 26 versions also, but industries still be using only the 24 versions max. But initially starting, any industry uses only the 22 version or a 21 version. Okay, so gets an hands-on experience of 21 version, so you'll understand what each and every tool over there, or what are the different options there. Once you understand everything in 21 version, you can easily switch to a 24 version. Okay, because it's an upgradation of these versions only. Okay, so if you want to download, you'll first, because even I'll be explaining everything in 21 version initially, after we'll move towards the 24 version, because 24 version is little bit advanced. Okay, so in 21 version we'll get basic understanding about of each and every tool, each and every concepts, what are the different options in that. So after getting an understanding, we'll move towards the 24 version. Okay, so it makes our things easy to understand. It's a simple thing. Again, 24 version is good, 25 version is good, but majority of industries still be using 22 or 21 versions only in their work. So it's not the industries have not used, not adapted much till now. Okay, if you have an understanding about of 22 versions or 21 versions also, you will be eligible for the placements, you will be eligible for your interview tool test. Okay, so I think you got an understanding. It's better if you install both the things, if your computer have that much amount of storage, if that much amount of compute power. Okay, maybe I'm gonna say like 16 GB or something. Okay, so these are the ways, just a simple way. If you are installing 21 version, please install 21 version. If you install 21 version, this is basically the GI, graphic user interface, GUI about of the HyperMesh. We'll see. So GUI, you'll basically just scroll down, just click on this download button, and it takes some certain time, and it's easily get downloaded. It's pretty easy, there is no much steps. So you once download it, so you have to install again. We face some little problem while installing. So for installation, you can easily go through the videos. So I think they have not mentioned the video over here. Even you can go to YouTube and you can get that video also, or you can go to this 24 version. You'll have maybe, yeah. So in 24 version, how to install this software, you can basically go to this, and we have this download in this video guide. So this video guide is same for all the versions. Even if you're installing the 21 version, and if you want to like download it the 21 version, if you follow these video only, you can install the 21 version also. It's same thing. Okay, just try with these things, so you can easily, you're getting it free, right? So there's a cracked version. Okay, so you can practice. And again, I'm saying this is only for the practice. Okay, if you are a student, if you want to understand the tool, if you want to practice, do it in these cracked versions. But if you are working professional, they must be knowing. Working professionals are already aware about it. They can't do their projects in these tools. Again, in case if you are a working professional, if you are fresher, you're just randomly putting all these components in your cracked versions, it's really harmful, so don't put it. Okay, so yeah, I think the installation is easy. Once you get installed, please see you in next video. We'll start completely the interface and introduction of these complete tool, and we'll understand. Now we'll get fast, we'll put gear fast, and we'll understand each and everything faster and faster. Okay, so this is what the installation I just want to let you know. So if you face any problem, please comment down. I'll try to help it each and everything. Okay, if you face any problem, please mention it in comment, and please keep mentioning how you are liking these videos. What are the things I need to cover more? Okay, once I'll start the software, you'll get an understanding and interest in each and everything. Okay, see you in next video, and keep installing the software by the next time. See you next video. Bye. Jai Hind.